Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're looking at a 20-foot tandem axle trailer. This one has a 10,000 pound rating on it to pretty much take care of the 525 gallon tank and the slew of other tanks that we have on this one. So if you move in a little bit closer, we'll take a look at everything that's on this unit. On the far side is a 5.5 gallon hot water unit. It's 3,500 PSI. These front two tanks here are for a two-step truck wash system. This whole trailer is pretty much set up to be able to do fleet washing and residential cleaning. So as far as the reels go, we've got two high pressure reels, so you can run both machines at the same time. I guess when I say both machines, there's another cold water unit just to the other side of the hot water. So you can run both units at the same time. There's a 200-foot inlet reel here. And as we move further down, of course, we've got the 525 gallon tank. You could fill it from your inlet reel, or you can hook up to this 2-inch fitting here and fill it faster that way if you needed to, if you have a city hookup available. The soft wash system is the 12-volt soft wash, 60 PSI, 7 gallon a minute, set up to run as a batch mix. And you can see down here we ran the tank drain off to the side for hand washing, base washing, bucket filling, whatever you need to do. Round back, we've got the aluminum toolbox, and we'll actually take you all the way to the other side of the trailer because there's access for everything on each side. You can fill your batch tank from this side, and then we've got the antifreeze tank on the opposite side over here, and you'll be able to antifreeze this whole system with just a few changes of ball valves where the inlet fittings are. And then here's the cold water unit, 3,000 PSI, 5.5 gallon a minute. The only other thing I didn't mention yet is the flooring on here. We've got the protective flooring, and Tim went all the way around and did the aluminum trim on it so you don't see any of the wood decking underneath. So it turned out really nice. But this one's definitely maxed out. So if you guys have any questions on this, just give us a call. Thank you.